Hello, friends. It's Carla, your online doctor, with today's Live in 5. Today is Monday, June 29th at 5 p.m. So let's take a break today from COVID-19 talk and discuss mushrooms. Yeah. Okay, I don't know about you, but I feel like they're coming up, no pun intended, everywhere these days. Everywhere I look, something's got mushrooms in it, okay? They are in skincare, they are in supplements, they're in coffee. They're just everywhere, and for a reason, okay? Scientists are even looking into their benefits for health conditions, including mental health. Now, scientists say that mushrooms have more DNA in common with a human being than they have in common with a plant. So if you ever thought you're a fun guy, oh no, that's a terrible joke. If you ever thought you were more like a fungus, like a mushroom, than a plant or another animal, there you go. Mushrooms are more like humans than like plants. Now, without mushrooms, we wouldn't have antibiotics. Even trees can't grow without mushrooms. So guess what? All over the world, cultures have been using mushrooms for centuries. Okay, so why the increased use and fascination in them now? Okay, in Asia, people eat a much wider variety of mushrooms than we do here in the United States. And also, they see them as medicinally important. Okay, this alternative medicine type thing. Yeah, mushrooms fit into that category and do so very well. Now, mycelium is actually the main part of the mushroom organism and is a white, thready network of filaments that exists beneath the forest floor. Okay, so you think about all of this stuff, and then the mushrooms kind of pop up from that structure called the mycelium. Now, if you want to think about it, think of the mushroom as the equivalent to an apple, and the mycelium is the equivalent to the apple tree. Okay, so there's a huge network going on underneath that forest floor with a lot of stuff. Now, the mycelium is sometimes called the wood wide web. Yes, they have a name for it. And it's currently being explored for its potential as a sustainable material. Along with agricultural byproduct of hemp, companies are actually making molded packaging from mycelium. Okay, a Los Angeles-based company is using mycelium to make a leather product that is as strong as, and obviously vegan friendly. Now, mushrooms are also a sustainable food source. They help to recycle organic matter produced by green plants and are one of the only dietary sources besides oily fish of vitamin D. Okay, that's really important. Vitamin D, I can't talk about that enough. I think I talk about it at least once a month, right? Now, mushrooms play a great part in traditional Chinese medicine and a strong presence in the wellness space, with claims ranging from boosting our immunity to helping defend us against cancer. Now, Dr. Andrew Weil, a pioneer in integrative medicine and one of the leading proponents of mushrooms, health and medicinal benefits, points to several mushrooms with special interests, okay, to the integrative medicine field. Mushrooms from the polypore family are able to increase the immune resistance to viral and bacterial infection. Yes, very important. And it actually increases our defenses against cancer. Included in this group would be turkey tail, reishi, and other mushrooms that you may be familiar with. Not the little white button ones that we see in the supermarket. Not that those are bad, but those don't have the same powerhouse effect as some of these other ones used in traditional Chinese medicine. Now, the divide between traditional and current medicine over mushrooms is actually false. Penicillin is derived from a fungus. Statins, used to lower cholesterol, originated from fungus. And not to mention the psychoactive effects on the brain of some mushrooms, which is creating a lot of research currently. Now, research needs to be expanded a lot to narrow the gap between this mushroom is an absolute cure to the extreme that it's a placebo or that it's just a food. Okay? I personally love using mushrooms. I do have supplements that have mushrooms in them, and I use them for immune support. So put in the comments, what mushroom product do you use for what benefit? Is it for immune support? Is it to help you prevent viral or bacterial infections? Throw it in the comments and let's chat about it. So, and if you don't like mushrooms, sorry, I love them. So I think they're great. Anyway, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I will see you again tomorrow for another Live in 5.